So what's going on, guys? So in this video I will be showing you how to do phone mirroring. So here you can use your smartphone on your desktop. So for that, first of all, open your Chrome and search for teamviewer.com. So here you will get a download option. Just click on that download link and download it. So I'm cancelling it because I've already downloaded and installed it. So let's open the application. So application windows will appear. Then here you get your user ID and password. And at the right side you get the partner ID which you will get on your smartphone. So let's move on to the smartphone. So on your smartphone, first of all, open Play Store and search for quick support for Samsung. So I am using a Samsung phone. Your phone of which company, you may search for that. For some of the smartphones it's not available, so it will be not possible. So I am using a Samsung phone, so I am installing the Samsung quick support for Samsung. Click on it and install it. I have already installed it, so let's open it. Yeah, let's open it. So here I am connected. So let me cancel the connection. So now on the partner ID, you have to enter the ID which will display on your smartphone. So just enter all the ID and click on connect to partner. And now on your smartphone it will ask to allow and deny. So click on allow option. So here we got the connection. So here you can see I got my smartphone. So it is helpful for your YouTube videos if you are uploading the YouTube video. So for today only this much. So don't forget to give a like and click on that subscribe button to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.